This is the first live that we are having for this year. Are you
Yes.
excited for 2022?
Yes, Teacher G. So, good evening, Teacher G, the Bright Kids founder. So, mga friends natin dito sa TikTok na manonood ng live natin and ang ating replay kapag na-post natin to. Ang question namin is, siyempre yung question ko sa inyo is, ano yung New Year's Wealth Resolution nyo? So, Teacher G, ano yung gusto mong ibatong tanong sa mga viewers natin?
Kung kumain ba sila ng lechon? Joke
So,
lang.
nag-lechon pa kayo nung New Year?
Lechon ba kayo? New
Enjoy
Year,
ba?
tsaka Pasko.
Mm.
Enjoy sa holiday season. And now that we are starting the new year, how are we starting it? Are we starting it right? Are we really planning to make it a brighter year than the last year, 2021? Because it is important to plan, to have a goal, right? Every
Yes.
turn of the year,
Oo.
every turn of the leaf of the new year should be a goal-oriented year for all of us. If there is no goal, then there will be no direction for us.
Walang plan, oo. So,
Uh-uh.
planning and strategizing, for me, yun yung supposedly dapat nagawa ng December. But, well, I have to do it this January and then at the same time, kailangan na rin siyang i-put into action.
Put into action. A goal without action is just
A wish.
goal.
It's just like a dream without doing
A
something
dream without
to make it a reality is just a
Yes.
dream. So, paano ba natin siya gagawing into reality? I-bite size natin siya into goal. I-daily, may
one
weekly,
big goal, one big goal, and
monthly,
then monthly,
quarterly, annual. And maraming facet yung ano natin. Kasama dyan, syempre, yung kabuuan. Health, wealth, love, relationship, ano pa?
and many more.
Holistic, di ba? Kumbaga, hindi lang, I should plan this for my wealth. So, hindi lang puro about finances. Pinakamahalaga din yung mga health is wealth talaga.
Holistic approach.
Yes.
Is what you call it.
Mm-mm.
Because it is not just about money all the time.
Pero mahalaga yung money. So, wag nating sabihin na we don't need money because we really need money.
We really need money.
Yun yung tool natin.
What's the basic need, especially nowadays?
To get yung mga basic necessities para ma-achieve mo din. Like, for example, yung mga yung mga gustong tumulong, para makakatulong kung wala kang resources to help other people, di ba? We need to help ourselves first, and then gradually, matutulungan din natin yung mga ibang tao. So, like sa amin, syempre, we have our programs, like kay Teacher G, the confidence para sa mga bright kids. And I also do help yung mga hirap na makawala sa utang to end the cycle of debts. Since,
speaking of goals, I actually asked my students at Bright Kids to draft their goals for goal for January. I actually was asking them to make a goal monthly, but I just asked them instead to focus on making a goal just for the month of January. One big goal and how they are going to achieve the goal by means of their plan of action. And as of now, 4 of them have already submitted, and I am commenting, I am putting my ideas, I am giving them inputs on how to improve their goals.
Wow,
But
that's
I am happy that they are doing it. Actually,
mm,
we've been doing it since we started. Lagi silang may goal setting and
yes.
how to go about it and how to plan so that the goal will be achieved.
Yes, Teacher G, tama. Kasi kailangan talaga, yung goal, iba-break mo yan ng bite size kasi baka mahirapan kang mabulunan kapag masyadong malaki. So with my coaches, we have an accountability meetings like for this month. We'll be meeting next week kung ano na yung improvement, ano na yung mga na-achieve niya. So let's hi sa mga ibang sumisilip. So hindi ko lang masyadong mabasa.
Hello, everyone. Those who
Yes,
are listening to us, watching us tonight.
and
Happy New Year.
and feel free to comment and join us if you want.
Uh-uh.
So invite natin sila, tingnan natin. You want to invite someone?
PDB is a little bit sick tonight, but we are still here to do our live for the first time this year. And we are happy to connect with you again.
So, meron tayong mga bibigay din na freebie with our viewers, especially those who need this. Okay, I have free ebook for you guys. You can download it at bit.ly/guidebk. It's about 7 beliefs that keep you buried in debt and what to do about it. And si Teacher G, i-share mo lang a bit about your program.
They can contact me. They can get in touch by going to my page, Bright Kids by Teacher G. And
Yan.
of course, the Bright program is the best.
Ayan. So, yun po yung sa social media niya at Bright Kids by Teacher G.
And
Follow
also,
her
that is on Facebook and Instagram. And also here on
Mm.
TikTok. The same handle lang naman siya.
Sa Bright Kids by Teacher G.
Mm.
And mga bite-sized content niya na you could check it out. So,
Okay.
ganun din sa akin, Pinay Deathbuster, yung mga social media account ko. You just type Pinay Deathbuster. Yan.
Parang ang hirap na naka-horizontal.
Yeah. So, siguro ito lang muna, no, Teacher G. Check natin kung ano bang itsura pag naka-horizontal. Horizontal ba talaga to o babaligtad lang sa paningin?
All that I can see is I am in a box on top of the right side of my phone, horizontal position, and your face is very big. So I see.
So, para lang tayo nagpa-FaceTime, something like that. Check
Mm.
natin kapag naano natin to.
We're
Na-upload
just
na.
chilling.
Okay, so bye-bye na sa ating mga friends.
Okay. Hope to see you on our page, on our account. Feel free to connect with us.
Yes.
Bye! Happy New Year, everyone!
Blessed 2022 to all of us.
Yeah, and good luck to all of us.
Yeah, God bless.
May we all thrive as we strive.
And,
Bye-bye, everyone!
yan. So, resilience tayong lahat. And stay healthy and keep safe. Lost ko na, Teacher G. See you on the other side.
Bye!